This now your one-stop shop for all the casualness of your body, everything where you need on top Health Corner with me, myself, and I, your one and only Dr. Adara. On a good morning. You know, say we done the yarn news since Monday about abdominal pain and all the different rich kind pain where they. We don't even tell you some of the questions where your doctor go ask you. We don't even tell you some of the causes of this abdominal pain. Today, we want to talk about the diagnosis, as in waiting be the things where they fit, you know, look, do on top your body to discover the main cause of this abdominal pain. You know, say diagnosing the cause, as in finding out the cause of abdominal pain, now one of the hardest things where any doctor or any healthcare professional fit do. Sometimes all they fit do, now to just make sure, say, the pain not require surgery or admission to hospital. Like we don't talk before, we don't yarn you some of these similar questions, you know, familiar questions to try determine waiting they cause this pain. So may they very unrelated though to the patient's current condition, but it is very, very important to try to answer them as completely as possible to help your doctor discover, say, okay, oh, this is not the main thing when you worry this person. Because the answers to this question now then fit help find the cause of the patient's pain and help them to treat it more easily. Like we asked before, say how long you don't get this pain, waiting you they do when the thing starts, how you they feel before the pain starts. Then you don't ever feel okay within the last few days, or waiting you don't try do to make the pain better. Did it work? They go ask you all these ones. They can't even ask you, say, waiting they make the pain worse. Why they give you all these questions now? They say, it good make you get the answer for your mind before you go meet doctor, so that they don't go confuse your situation with another one. Then the pain, if they make you tanda for one place or they allow you to move around, then when they come hospital, inside the motor or inside the bus or however as you they waka come, the movement, if they cause you extra pain, then when you they cough, this pain, if they worse, they'll come ask you whether you don't vomit or whether this vomiting where they vomit, they make the pain today better or today worse. They'll come ask you about your bowel movements, whether it they normal. Ask you the last time you go toilet. That's now what I mean by bowel movements, and whether you they mess normally or you know they mess at all. Then they go see us check, even do some kind of test to find out whether you get fever. They will still ask you whether you don't experience this kind of pain before. When you experience them and waiting you do for them. That's now why we they advocate, say, I beg, no, they treat yourself by yourself for house. If anything they worry you, go meet doctor, may then give you medicine for them. Then waiting you don't do surgery when you do them. You can't carry belly, you they sexually active as you don't they do adult play, or you don't they use birth control, you don't they around anybody will get this kind of symptoms before, or you don't travel, come out for the country recently, waiting you chop. Waiting, you know, when you chop last and waiting you chop. Did you chop anything when not they normal? Something where you know they chop before. All these ones are the different things where they feel ask you. They feel even still ask you, say, this pain where they start so. If they waka for one place for your belly or not everywhere. Then if they waka go your chest, because they ask these questions in case, for this chest one, in case you they get any heart problem or they waka enter your back, where they go. You fit cover this pain with your hand. For example, if you put this your palm like this on top your belly, you fit touch the one place, or the thing big too much for you. So they make them very difficult for you to breathe. Or you get any other medical problem where they don't tell you before, say, maybe you get heart disease, or you get diabetes, or you get AIDS, or you they take some kind pain medicine them. Because you get some kind pain medicine like aspirin, where fit cause some kind pain. Or you they take antibiotics. Or by yourself, you they treat yourself with some kind of herbs, they take alcohol, whether you they drink coffee or tea, they smoke cigarettes, whether you they even take hard drugs. You got to be very honest, because if it be any of these things where you they take, now they cause this wahala. The doctor, if it's not even ask you all these things, all these ones where I just they tell you, now make you they aware, make you they armed, so that when you walk out, go meet your doctor, he go tell you what it be. On top of this one, if you do some kind of physical examination for you and some kind of tests for you to determine where this problem dey. If you examine your abdomen, your heart, your lungs to be sure of the exact cause of the pain. These are all the things you go experience when you meet doctor. So you no go dey surprised. Tomorrow, I go send you some kind of things where if you do to prevent all this unnecessary abdominal pain as much as lies in your power. Now me still be Dr. Adara, and this is your Health Corner on top Good Morning Naija show. I'll see you tomorrow.
una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.